Guys, here you can see my mood video has been came out with the Django, and in today's Django video, I'm telling about the filter reference. If you don't know what is filter reference in Django, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it, what a filter reference in Django. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so when I miss our future later videos. So without wasting our any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you can see my more making about the Django, and in today's Django video I'm telling about the filter reference. So this video is smaller because in today's video I'm just telling about the reference. In today's video there are not any explanation, not any diagram, not any coding example. In today's video there is only a keyword and descriptions I'm telling you. So that's why the video is smaller, but whenever Django will be ended, so we are starting one new course, so get ready for that. Filter reference, a list of all filter keywords. These are all list of filter keywords. Let me explain these one by one. First is add. His description is add a specify value. Number 2 is add slashes. And his description is add a slash before any code characters to escape the strings. Code means this is a code, like let me show you. This type of, okay. Now cap first. Description is it written the first letter in the uppercase. One more is center. It centers the value in the middle of the specified width. One more keyword is cut. It removes any specified character of phrases. This is a description of cut. And one more description is date. It returns the dates in the specified format. This is one more description of the keyword. And now one more keyword is default, and the description is it returns a specified value if the value is false. One more description keyword is like a default if none. Its description is it returns a specified value if the value is none. One more keyword is dict sort. What this keyword can do, it sorts a dictionary by the given value. One more keyword is dict sort reserved. What this keyword do, it sort the dictionary reserved with the by the given value. One more is divisible by. What can do, it returns the true if the value can be divided by the specified number, otherwise it returns false. One more keyword is escape. What this keyword do, it escapes the HTML code from a string. One more keyword is escape.js. What it can do, it escapes JavaScript code from a string. One more keyword is file size format. And what this keyword can do, it returns a number into a file size format. One more keyword is first. What this keyword can do, it returns the first item of an object. For strings or the first character is return it. One more keyword is float format. What can do, it rounds the floating numbers to the specified number of decimals. Default 1 decimal. One more is force escape. What can do is escapes the HTML code from a string. One more is get digit. What can do, it returns a specified digit of a number. One more keyword is arrayn code. What this keyword can do, it convert an IRI into a URL friendly string. One more keyword is join. What can do, it returns the items of a list into a string. One more keyword is JSON script. It returns an object into a JSON object surrounded by script tags. More keyword is last. It returns the last item of an object. For strings, the last character is returned. One more keyword is length. What this length keyword can do, it returns the number of items is in an object or the number of strings in the number. One more keyword is length is. It returns the true if the length is the same as a specified number. One more keyword is line breaks. It returns the text with BR instead of the line breaks and P. Instead, one more than one line break. Now one more is line breaks BR. It returns the text with BR instead of line breaks. One more is line numbers. It returns the text with the line number for each line. One more is lel just. is left align the value according to a specified width. One more is lower, it returns the text in lowercase letters. One more is make list. It converts the value into a list object. One more is phone to numeric. It converts a phone number with the letters into a numeric phone numbers. One more is pluralize. What you can do it add a list as at the end of a value if a specified numeric value is not 1. PP print. One more is random. What can do it returns a random item of an object. One more keyword is just it right aligns the value according to a specified width. One more is safe keyword. It marks that this text is safe as should not be HTML as escape. One more is safe select. What can do it mark each item of an object as a safe as and the item should not be HTML escape. One more is slice. It returns a specified slice of a text or object. One more is simplify. What can do it converts text into one log alphanumeric lowercase word. One more is string format. It converts the value into a specified format. One more keyword is stripped text. What can do it remove HTML text from text. Remove HTML text from a text. And one more is time. It returns the time in a specified format. One more is time science. What can do it returns the difference between two data types. One more is time until. It returns the difference between two date types. One more is title. What can do it is a uppercase the first letter of each word in a text. All other characters as are converted to lowercase. One more is truncated charts. The name is very hard. What you can do it shortens a string into a specified number of characters. One more is truncatures HTML. What can do is shortens a string into a specified number of characters, not considering the length of any HTML text. Truncate words. What can do it shortens strings into a specified number of words. One more is truncate words HTML. What can do it shortens a string into a specified number of words, not considering any HTML text. One more is unordered list. What can do it returns the item of an object as an unordered HTML list. One more is upper. It returns the text in uppercase letters. One more is URL code. It means that URL encodes a string. One more is URLize. What can do it returns any URLs in the string as a HTML links. One more is URLize trunk. What can do it return any URLs in the string as HTML links, but shortens into the links into a specified number of characters. One more is word count. What can do it returns the number of words in the text. One more is word wrap. It wraps the words at a specified number of characters. One more is yes no, means that it converts boolean values into a specified values. Than this type of. Okay, so here you can see it. In today's video of Django, we learn about in the Django what are filter reference, and I told you many filter reference in the Django. So I hope your concept will be clear about this keywords of filter reference and its description. So if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss of future related videos. So for today, goodbye.